Hi guys and welcome here on Hello Gorgeous by S YouTube channel. Today we're gonna unbox the new Give Her a Little Love beauty box from Next Beauty. Give Her a Little Love beauty box is retailed for £22 and comes in two box options to choose from. Well, you have an option to choose one product from the box, and you may choose between a hair care product from Bumble and Bumble and a hydrating face mask from Origins. Which one I choose, you will see later in this video. Okay, beautiful people, let's discover together the products from Give Her a Little Love beauty box. First product that we find is a mini mascara from Benefit, their Real Mascara. I will insert on the screen the size of each product. This is a lengthening mascara that will lengthen, curl and will add volume to the lashes. I am not a huge fan of lengthening mascaras. I'm going more for volume mascaras, but I will give it a go to see what this mascara can do. Second product that we find is from the brand Murad, Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. This cleanser is enriched with both chemical and physical exfoliants, will help to reveal smoother and more hydrated skin with every wash. Third, we find the product that I had in the past is from Clarins Hand and Nail Treatment Cream. It's a super nourishing hand cream which will soften, protect and hydrate your hands. I had this hand cream in the past and was lovely. The formula is lightweight, is absorbing fast into the skin, is super nourishing and moisturizing, and it has a very nice scent. Fourth, we find a full-size product from Nails Inc. Nail Kale Base Coat. This is a superfood base coat enriched with vitamin A, C, E, F and H to nourish your nails. Fifth product is from Origins, Drink Up 10-minute hydrating mask with apricot and glacier water. I adore when the brands are using ingredients that sound strange. This is a super nourishing face mask that will soothe sensitivity and will hydrate the skin. Sixth, we find a sample size product from the brand Ren, Ever Calm Overnight Recovery Balm. I tried this product in the past and I cannot say that I like it too much. The formula was absorbing hard into the skin and this was the main reason that make me do not like it. To be honest, till the end with the brand Ren, I don't have very good experience with their products. Let's say they don't suit my skin. And the last product from the beauty box is a full-size lipstick from the brand MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo 707. I am familiar with the MAC Matte Lipsticks formula. It's really nice, it's long wearing, it wears comfortable on the lips, is non-drying at all. The shade is beautiful, it matches with my nails. It's a beautiful deep red shade. Here are all the products from Give Her a Little Love beauty box. I can say that I liked what I found inside. What do you think about today's beauty box? Did you like it? Would you buy it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Okay, beautiful people, and this was today's video. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!